Hi, this is Abby for Hippyshopper, and today I'm at the legendary Fruit Towers, which is home of Innocent Smoothies. I'm going to be doing a bit of a tour of the office today, and I'm going to see where it all happens.
So this is our chill out area where we have meetings and lunch and that sort of thing. And then over there we've got reception, lots of desks, obviously the big red phone box. So all the desks, it's all sort of discussed around. We don't sit in teams or departments. And we get up and move once every 6 months, which we call the big office shuffle.
So this is where all the new recipes are made.
Exactly.
Got some quite exciting, colourful blenders over there. Some pretty cool bits of kit. Now I'm standing in front of a wall here which has pretty much all the other juices and smoothies on the market, so they can keep an eye on what the competition's doing. It also makes quite a nice little piece of artwork, I think. Hi, I'm now with Jess, who is Sustainability Manager here at Innocent. We're here with some beautifully decorated hats, and I'm going to talk first about the plastic that you use to make these bottles, which recently went 100% recycled. So, Jess, where do you actually get the plastic from to make the bottles?
All of the plastic that we use is 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. So it's coming from household collections. You throw your bottles out in the recycling once a week, and that plastic is eventually making its way through to our bottles.
And what's the best way to dispose of them? Because obviously they can be used again once you've bought a bottle. So how would you recommend throwing them away?
Definitely not throwing them away. Putting them straight back in that recycling bin is the best thing that you can do. A huge percentage, I think it's about 70% of UK households now can recycle PET. So straight back into there, or if you don't have that facility at home, then obviously in your local bottle bank.
Sure, so most councils will take plastic.
Exactly, and PET is one of the most easily recycled plastics, so it's a great material for us to be using.
And moving on to the actual fruit that you use, I know that you have a partnership with the Rainforest Alliance for bananas. Do you have any plans for other fair trade partnerships so that the fruit that you're using will be fairly traded?
The reason that we chose the Rainforest Alliance was because they cover the really broad spectrum of social and environmental issues, so it's right down from how the workers are treated on the farm, how much they get paid, whether or not the conservation areas on the farm are protected as well. So it really covers that full gamut of issues. If for one of the fruits it was available as a fair trade product and not as Rainforest Alliance, and we could do that, then we would look at that certification. If there were other ones which were sort of something that might have been certified to organic or max Hamlet, then we'll look at those schemes as well. So it's basically just about improving that base standard across the whole range.
Last year I attended your village fete in Regent's Park. Fantastic event, really good day. Will you be doing one this year?
Absolutely. It's going to be the first weekend in August, 2nd and 3rd.
Great, so get that in your diaries now.
That's right, back in Regent's Park, more of what we had last year, so duck herding, ferret racing, lots of things for the kids, lots of fantastic food to eat on the day, and hopefully we'll get the weather that we did last year.
That's brilliant, thank you. And finally, your recent campaign, Buy One Get One Tree. How many trees have actually been planted since then, or will be planted? Because this was the campaign where you buy a bottle, you pay for a tree to be planted.
The great news is our target was 100,000 trees, and we planted 164,020 trees this year.
That's great. Jess, thank you very much indeed.
My pleasure. Thanks.